We are here in Vegas for SAWC 2023, the largest SAWC on record, and we're here to see some of the difference makers, because this is all about making difference. I'm going to be meeting, interviewing some of the difference makers that's impacting this world of wound care and the millions and millions of people who are suffering from chronic wounds. Come join me. Hi, I'm here with Kristen Membrino, the AVP of Sales with HMP, who actually puts this whole thing on. Tell me, how is HMP making a difference? Because this is about difference makers to the people of wound.
Well, we've really positioned the meeting to be the leading source of innovation, bringing your science to a bigger audience and really bringing practical education to a lot of the clinicians and physicians that are here, giving them a platform to present that research, whether it's through the sessions, hands-on experience, presenting your case studies in the poster hall with abstracts. So there's a lot of different opportunities to have leading key experts in the field, but also bring that education and that opportunity to a lot of the people who are really in the field. They're practicing wound care every day. Let's let them be highlighted in some way and bring them to the forefront.
I love it. Bringing the science, the experience, and the industry together to really collaborate and create those those synergy moments. It's awesome.
A lot of networking going on here. As you can kind of see in the exhibit hall, top place to launch any new innovations and really further the care for better patient care, better patient outcomes. It's really our goal with the Difference Makers campaign.
Awesome. Thanks so much for all you do here.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Hi, I'm here with Brian Groh, the CCO of Organogenesis, one of the difference makers in the space. Brian, how is Organogenesis making a difference to the millions of people with chronic wounds?
Joe, it's great to see you. As you know, Organogenesis has been in the space for quite some time. We've got a wide array of skin substitutes, from collagen biomaterials, amniotic products, to cell-based products. And our goal is to impact lives, lower complications, and heal wounds. So really excited to be here, and it's great seeing you.
Yeah, great, making a big difference. Thank you, Brian. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm here with Martha Yannessa, the Executive Vice President of Moleculight, one of the difference makers. So, hey, Martha, tell me, how is Moleculight making a difference for the millions of people suffering from chronic wounds?
Joe, we're making a great difference. We are a diagnostic tool that just provides to the clinicians extra information so that they can make better decisions on how they're going to actually treat the patients. And that difference that we're providing them is actually showing in all our clinical papers that there are more than 80 published right now, that healing rates are improving dramatically, and that the patients are engaging much more appropriately in their own care as well as their families. And that it's just, again, a diagnostic tool that's giving clinicians information that they could not see before.
Information is power, and it sounds like that information is making a tremendous impact.
It's making a great impact.
Hey, I'm here with Chris Lyon, the VP of Sales. Chris, tell me, why is this market so interesting right now?
Right now, it's topical oxygen has really come of age as a category, and technology is caught up now where what used to be a 50-pound oxygen generator for that type of thing has gotten to a product that's below 5 ounces. So technology is advanced enough interest generated. It's a lot of the buzz here is that it looks a lot like 20 years ago, or what negative pressure was.
Really?
So
and that changed the market. Second
coming of negative pressure would not be a bad thing for any of us.
That is definitely something buzzworthy, and so taking the known therapy of oxygen, which has been around, but being able to deliver it in a way that's convenient and accessible. Yeah, I'm here with Dr. Jung, the Chief Technology Officer of ETS, one of the difference makers. So how is ETS making a difference to this market of millions of people?
So ETS is bringing synthetic bioactive glass, which is a brand new material to wound care, to the market. And with this material, we are helping patients that, quite frankly, have run out of options, and we're having success.
Awesome. Great data, I think, coming out as well.
Phenomenal data. We've got tons of posters here today, and things are going really well.
Awesome. Thanks, Steve. Appreciate
Thanks.
it. Hi, I'm here with Marissa Ransdell, who is the marketing director with MPM Medical. MPM Medical has been making really a difference in this space for over 30 years, but I know there's some new things going on, so tell us how you're making a difference today.
Yeah, so with chronic wounds, we're seeing harder to heal wounds. So we have a 100% type 1 bovine collagen that is really great to add to your wound care bundle to treat that. We actually had someone stop by yesterday, said that they had a patient who's had the same wound for 5 years, and she's determined to get it cleared by Christmas. So we're happy to be a part of her wound care bundle.
Absolutely. Thank you, Marissa. You guys are making an impact.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.